lashed Bengaluru today, causing major disruption across the city. Several areas witnessed heavy rainfall, lightning and strong gusty winds, leading to severe traffic congestion, waterlogging and multiple incidents of uprooted trees. Has issued a yellow alert for Bengaluru and nearby regions, warning of continued heavy rain and unstable weather conditions across Karnataka. Low-lying areas remain at high risk of flooding due to continuous rainfall and soaked ground conditions. Apart from Bengaluru, several districts across the state have also reported flash flooding, fallen trees and rain-related disruptions. Authorities and emergency teams are working to clear blocked roads and restore normal traffic movement in affected areas. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.